Hey guys, welcome back to I.O. I'm Ron McKenzie the Fergie. I'm happy to be talking with you lovely taters again, and guys, this one's fun. I've saved this story for last because it is way too hilarious, and if you saw the title and clicked, you're probably just as excited as I am. So I'll stop teasing you and hop right in. If you want to remain overloaded with information, smack that thumbs up button and subscribe to Inform Overload. And now, diarrhea. A story's been circulating recently about one of the most unfortunate bouts of traveler diarrhea I've ever heard of. A man was on a trip to Spain and he was attending a theme park. His friends managed to convince him to go on to the best ride at the park called Ferrari Land. It's a super fast ride full of loops and curves and craziness. Sounds fun, right? Well, there's one problem. The man was suffering from gastroenteritis at the time. That's right, he had diarrhea. When you wake up in the morning, put your feet on the floor, do the 20-yard dash to the bathroom door, diarrhea. Diarrhea. Please tell me someone remembers that song.
Surfing on the net and your chair gets hot and wet. Diarrhea. Diarrhea.
Anyway, yes, this man had diarrhea. It's claimed that he started feeling a bit wrong on the first curve, bay doors were set to manual, then by the first loop, his butt lost the battle of its life and unleashed an unholy torrent of liquid stool, the likes of which the world has never seen. Due to the motion of the coaster, this projectile of poo, or poojectile, splashed around, covering his unlucky ride companions. It sounds absolutely horrendous and smelly. But you know the worst thing about all this? It's friggin' fake. I know, I was disappointed too. If you watched our video on the kid who supposedly chopped his friend's hand off for playing the circle game, you'll be familiar with this satirical news website 8shit.com. That's 8shit.com. They have a habit of fabricating news stories just for clicks and managed to get people sharing this story as if it was true. At the same time, we still got to enjoy a funny story, and now 14 fewer people have been sprayed with diarrhea. So I'll call that a win-win. And now we come to my favorite part of the video, viewer comments. Hit me up in the comments section down below and you might be highlighted the next time I'm here. Epic Zebra says, when is Charlotte coming back? Yeah, even though this is from an old video, I'm sure this will be asked in this one, so don't worry guys. Charlotte will be back next week and I'll be back working on Top 10 Nerd, Top 10 Gaming, and Life's Biggest Questions. Sweet plug, Ron. This Kid Sam says, fun fact, dinosaurs never roared. Ouch, childhood ruined, eh? Yes, childhood ruined. This is not a fun fact, this is a stupid fact. Heartbreaking fact. That said, it's definitely interesting. Apparently most dinosaurs made sounds more like crocodiles or geese rather than the crazy roars we hear in Jurassic Park. Kinda disappointing, but pretty neat. That's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed and hopefully this wasn't too gross for you. If you like what we're doing here, smack that thumbs up button and subscribe to I.O. to remain overloaded with information. Make sure to check out this video about a Russian model with big ol' feet, or maybe this one about Logan Paul's return to YouTube. But first head on down to the comments section to let me know what you think of this story, or just to tell me your favorite joke. I love jokes. I'll see you guys in the comments and hope you have a great weekend. Later, taters.